My perfect wash was a long time in the making. I set out to create an anti-aging cleanser that wouldn't have you reaching for the moisturiser because of that feeling of parched, dry skin every time you cleanse. So my perfect wash was born, a luxurious foaming amino acid facial wash that is powerful enough to easily remove the heaviest of makeup and all the environmental stresses of the day, yet so gentle on the skin it doesn't strip the skin's essential moisture. It's even suitable for the most sensitive of skins. Amino acids are essentially proteins which have a positive effect on the cells and the skin's regeneration. They provide a powerful anti-aging result and improve skin's discoloration. Amino acids maintain skin's hydration, texture, resilience, and also assist in wrinkle reduction. Plus, they deliver an overall healthy appearance to the skin. For best results, use my perfect wash morning and night as part of your daily ritual.